Hi, it's me.
I'm alive, I'm back. Sun is shining, and this is what I got on Expo and kind of a haul. So let me start with food. I got 2 Jello packs to my roaches. I know they like it, so I want to treat them a little bit. A bag of round clockwork, different ones, so I can have to my spiders, roaches, look for my boyfriend, day geckos. Then I got as a gift from Damian, let me see, tiny spiderlings. This is, let me see what that is. This is this species. I got just got a picture from Rick from Cardinal of Arachnids. This is his spider. So I got 2 slings from Damian. I will post it all links down below. Instagram, the beautiful spiders. And then I got one. Oh, I didn't say the species. The species name is Kilobrachys species blue Vietnam. Very beautiful. And then I got an arboreal species, Psalmopoeus irminia. And this little guy will live in the enclosure gift I got from Karolina, from Karolina's tarantulas. And here it is. It's really pretty. You will see it better later when I do a transfer. Sphagnum moss, live, real nice sphagnum moss for my snails. I think they will appreciate it. I got 2 tatas, 3 bags. And then we got wood shavings for fruit flies cultural propagation. So that was nice. And finally, I got me some red runners. Oh, I'm so happy. Finally. I just gave them some food. They were so hungry and thirsty. I gave them some Jello and it's almost over, and my battery is almost over, but look, they are so thirsty. But they do enjoy some Jello. They are so cute. Even though it's roaches, I don't know, I find them very cute. Of course I got some feeders, crickets, normal size, a little bit mixed, bigger ones, smaller ones, so that's okay. And then I got them as a gift from Billy. Billy, thank you. Oh, they are so pretty. They are so cute. It's enough. Red runners is exactly what I wanted. Some sphagnum moss and fresh, which is good. Maybe it will grow in the summer. That's perfect. And some medium for growing fruit flies, new enclosures, hissing roaches. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.